Today, I'll walk you through how to create and use Jira filters, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your own filters in Jira so you can streamline your project management tasks. Let's dive right in. First, open your Jira dashboard. This is your command center for all things project related, where you can access your tasks and projects easily. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left sidebar. Here, you'll want to click on the Filters option. This section is where you can manage and create your filters, which will help you view your work items more effectively. Next, under the Filters menu, click on Search for Work Items. This will take you to a search interface where you can specify the criteria for your filter. Think of this as setting the parameters for a search engine, where you can narrow down the results based on your needs. Now, let's focus on the criteria. You can start by assigning the filter to your current needs. This means you can specify which team members' tasks you want to see, or perhaps the tasks that are most urgent. Next, you can refine your search further by adding parameters like type and status. For example, you might want to filter by bug or task, and then specify whether you're looking for items that are in progress or done. This step is crucial for ensuring that you only see the work items that matter to you. Once you've set your criteria, it's time to save your filter. Click on the Save Filter button. This will allow you to keep your filter for future use, making it easy to access the same set of work items again later. Finally, you'll need to name your filter. Choose a name that clearly describes what the filter does, and then click Save. This will finalize your filter creation, and you'll now have a custom view tailored to your specific needs, and there you have it. You've successfully created and used a Jira filter. Remember, filters are a powerful way to manage your tasks and keep your workflow organized. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.